Sir, we had 37 LGUs with each of them having their own numbers, and we had another 200 numbers for police, for firemen to respond to. So now it's just a unified system.
This will be nationwide in terms
Yes, sir.
of coverage.
We put on phase one a month and a half ago. I think we will proceed with Cebu, Ilocos, Barm, Davao, Negros Island region, and the region Pampanga and the region 8. The 911 center, as envisioned, will have a call center which is dialect friendly. So in case of an emergency, if you are in Pampanga, they will answer in Kapampangan. If you are in Iloilo, they will answer in Ilonggo, in Cebu, Bisaya. Same with the Davao region. Because we feel that in times of emergency, they can best explain themselves in their thinking voice rather than forcing themselves to speak Tagalog or forcing themselves to speak English. Hence the need for regional centers for the 911.
So, Secretary, right now, 911 is in Metro Manila.
Yes, sir.
That's covering Metro.
Yes.
And how is the performance of the 911? How is the response rate? How many calls are we getting? I read in the news one time that DILG was getting, or 911 was getting a lot of prank calls.
Yes, sir. As of now, because we're not in full service yet, but we cover the whole country with our response center in Sampaloc. We have 60,000 calls a day. For the first few weeks, for the first few days, out of the 60,000, 1/3 were prank calls. Those prank calls are automatically flagged and put at the bottom. So if they call again for an emergency, they will not be responded to. Eventually, in the next 6 months, it will be in the entire country, and we hope for a better response rate.